Welcome back. My name is Sophie Mann, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to use assessment in MoreToMath. Assessment is a vital part of learning. Instead of traditional fact-based assessment, we primarily use formative assessment in MoreToMath. This type of assessment makes it easy for you and your students to find out what they have learned and what challenges they face. This enables you to identify the areas in which you might need to spend more time with your students. In section 3 of the curriculum pack, you'll find a general introduction to the MoreToMath assessment tools and guidance on how to use them in your classroom with the supporting materials. Furthermore, the teacher's guide includes an assessment section with each activity highlighting integrated lesson-specific observation points. These tell you what behavior to look for while students solve a problem. The observation points are gathered in the observation checklist, which you'll find in the appendix section. It's a ready-to-use rubric for each activity set, which you can simply print and then get started with assessing your students. Other assessment tools are the summative assessment sheet and the anecdotal record sheet, which can be used at certain intervals. The summative assessment sheet can be used to challenge students to create their own math problem within the framework of a specific activity set. Let them write the problem on the summative assessment sheet and build a model to support the solution. Finally, assess their performance based on your own criteria or by choosing another rubric from other known sources. You can use the anecdotal record sheet when needed to give periodic summaries of a student's learning progress. It is of course vital that students have an active role in the assessment process themselves. The different tasks on the student worksheets allow students to write down their solutions. Each worksheet provides an opportunity for self-assessment and peer assessment by allowing the students to mark their answer to a statement at the bottom of the worksheet. The student worksheets are designed so they can be used as portfolio pages, highlighting a student's performance at a given point of time. As the year progresses, they show off the student's development, increasing knowledge and skills in mathematical problem solving. On each worksheet there is also a purple brick challenge, an extra task for those students that finish a bit before their classmates. Think of it as a level up task. The purple brick challenge can also be used as a performance evaluation. We go into detail about the purple brick challenge in the video about differentiated teaching and extended learning. So that is how we handle assessment in MoreToMath. By integrating assessment into each lesson, it becomes a natural, relevant part of the lesson for both you and your students. It helps to lower the anxiety that comes with ordinary assessment or tests, and students are more likely to be enthusiastic as it can help them to become better mathematical problem solvers. Coming up, we take a closer look at how to differentiate and extend the learning experiences with MoreToMath.